Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we are starting unit number 6 named algebraic manipulations. In this, we discuss HCF and LCM in detail. First of all, we discuss what is HCF. HCF is the short form of highest common factor. H for highest, C for common, F for factor. Now we define HCF. If two or more algebraic expressions are given, then their common factors of highest power is called the HCF of the expression. Now, so first of all, we discuss what is factor. A number which divide another number completely is called factor. For example, we take a number 18. Now we find the factors of 18. First of all, we divide 18 by 1. 1 multiplied by 18, we get 18, that is equal to 0. As remainder is 0, so 1 is factor of 18. If remainder is 0, then it means 18 is completely divided by 1. Similarly, 18 divided by 2, 2 9 the 18. 2 divides 18 completely, that's why 2 is also factor of 18. Similarly, when we divide 18 by 3, 3 multiplied by 6, we get 18 and remainder will be 0. So 18 is completely divided by 3, so 3 is the factor of 18. Now 18 divided by 4, 4 4 16, we get remainder as 2. It is not 0, so it is not completely divided by 18 is not completely divided by 4, so 4 is not the factor of 18. So now I write here factors of 18, that are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These 6 numbers are factors of 18. The HCF, we take HCF between two numbers. I take first number is 18, second number is 24. Now I find factors like I find factors of 18, I find the factors of 24, that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 12 and 24. Now we know that HCF, we take HCF between two numbers. I take one number is 18, second number is 24, and then I find the factors because HCF is highest common factor. This step is complete. Now we take common between these factors. You know that 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 6 is common and nothing. So second step is also completed. Now we take highest between these common factors. The common factors between 18 and 14 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. But here we have to take highest common factor. First of all, we take factors, then we take common factors. Now we take highest between these common factors, that is 6. So HCF of 18 and 24 are 6. This is a simplest method and first method of find the HCF. Now we discuss how many methods to find the HCF. There are two methods to find the HCF. First method is factorization, second method is division method. And we discussed these two methods when we solved the questions of exercise 6.1. Now we start exercise 6.1. Question number 1, part number 1 is 39 x raised to power 7 y raised to power 3 z, and 91 x raised to power 5 y raised to power 6 z raised to power 7. We have to HCF of these two algebraic expressions. First algebraic expression is 39 x raised to power 7 y raised to power 3 and z. First of all, we take the LCM of 39. 3 1 the 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3 the 9, 13 3 the 13 1 the 13. Okay, 39 that is equal to 3 multiplied by 13. So we write here 3 multiplied by 13. Before writing x raised to power 7 y raised to power 3 and z, I write second expression, that is 91 x raised to power 5 y raised to power 6 z raised to power 7. Now we take the LCM of 91. 7 multiplied by 1 we get 7, and remaining is 2, it becomes 21. 7 multiplied by 3 21, 13 1 the 31, and 91 is equal to 7 multiplied by 13. So I write here 7 multiplied by 13. Now we take here, you see there are three variables x, y and z. Okay, now first of all we solve this question for the variable x. Here you see what is the lowest power. Lowest power is 5. 7 is greater, 5 is less. So which is greater power, we divide it in two parts, like it becomes the power of 5. यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हम x वेरिएबल को सोल्व करेंगे, देखेंगे कि कौन सी हाईएस्ट पावर है. हाईएस्ट पावर यहाँ पर कौन सी है, 7 है. अब 7 को टू हिस्सों में, टू पार्ट्स में इस तरह से डिवाइड करेंगे कि एक पार्ट 5 आ जाए. यू नो दैट वी कैन राइट x रेज टू पावर 7 that is equal to x raised to power 5 multiplied by x raised to power 2. If bases are same and these are multiplying, then powers are add. You know, you can write here x 5 plus 2, it again become x raised to power 7. So यहाँ पर हम 7 को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. एक पावर x रेज टू पावर 5 लाजमी होनी चाहिए ताकि हमें उसे कॉमन लेने में आसानी हो. Okay, so first of all I write here x raised to power 5 multiplied by x raised to power 7. I divide 7 into two parts. Here I write x raised to power 5. Now you can take common easily. Now we take y variable. You see what is lowest power? Lowest power is 3. So we divide this greater power into two parts, like 1 power of y is 3. So first of all I write here y3, and y6 can be written as y3 multiplied by y3. When we multiply these two variables, as bases are same, the powers will be add up and it becomes 6. Next we take the variable z. It can be written as z multiplied by 6 multiplied by z. Okay, now as lowest power is 1, so we divide the greater power 7 into two parts like this. First one power is 1 and second power will be 6, because 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, and we take 1 because here the power z is 1, and here we divide y raised to power 6 into two parts. One is take 3 because here the power is 3. Here we divide x raised to power 7 into two parts. First part is x raised to power 5, because here lowest power is x raised to power 5, and second will become x raised to power 2, because when we add up then we have to get x raised to power 7. Here we take factors of these two expressions. Now we take common. Here you can see 13 is common, x raised to power 5 is common, y raised to power 3 is common, and z is common. So common factors are 13, x raised to power 5, y raised to power 3, and z. We do not multiply these, just we place comma between these common factors. Now we find HCF. When we take HCF of two algebraic expressions, then we multiply them. We do not take in this highest common factor, because each factor is different. These are not we cannot separate highest between these four terms. So we just multiply them to take HCF. When we multiply these four terms, we get 13, x raised to power 5, y raised to power 3, and z. And this is the method of taking HCF of two algebraic expression. In this, first of all, we take factors like this, and then we take common factors between them, and in the last we multiply these algebraic expressions or algebraic terms. Okay, and the second part will be same like this. Just in question number 1 there are two algebraic expression, and in second part there are three algebraic expression. So second part do yourself. Thank you.